Hello guys, it's MakeBoy back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool, good looking Discord server for your friends. If you don't know what Discord is an app that allows you to play, allows you to communicate with members while playing your favorite games together. So this is my server right here. As you can see, I've got like the important, like welcome rules and announcements. That's what every server should have. And then you've got the text channels, the staff channels, and the voice channels. So I'm going to be showing you how to make I'm going to show you how to make a Discord server. So to make a Discord server, you go down to this plus button here, and you can join a server or create a server. So we're going to create a server, and let's just call it my name. Discord server. And we won't, I'll just put a random photo in. I'll just put in this one here. Yep, that's good. I'm just going to delete this server after anyway, but I'm not going to do it right after you guys, because you don't know how to make a good looking Discord server. So you can invite your friends, but we're not going to do that yet. We're just going to create like the back layout for it first. So it says, welcome to your server, be ready, someone else help get the party started, invite your friends. We're not going to do that yet. So as you can see, the text channels and the voice channels are already there. So you got the general and text channels general. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a category. And we're going to call it important or information, whatever you like to call it. Go down to this little plus. Meh, who cares? Here has this. I'm just gonna delete the channel so the information is at the top, just for you guys so you know. So the information part, or the important part, whatever you call it, should always be at the top, because that's the first thing people are gonna see when they go into your server. Is the important section. So we've got the information, I'll tap the plus button next to it, and we're going to make it a text channel, and we can call it welcome, create, and then if you wanted to only you can go in and nobody else, you just hold on the welcome, edit channel, go to permissions, go to the @everyone role, and read messages should be a tick. Send messages off, and also send TTS messages off. If you don't know what TTS stands for, it means text to speech messages. And where is it? Read message history. Wrong one. Not off. On. And everything else should just turn on. You should just turn on, except for create instant invite. You can just put that on. Manage channel, manage permissions, manage webhooks off. Manage messages, embed links, attach files, mention everyone. Use external emojis off, and add reactions off. And that's that. So you can go back out. Not only you can go into it, so you can just be like, hi, welcome to my server. Be sure to check out the hashtag rules. It won't come out, it won't be like embedded, it won't be highlighted in blue because you haven't made it yet. So then what you can do is you can either make another one, or you can just go clone channel, and you can name that one rules. Wrong way. It should be on the information. Here. I'm gonna call it rules create, and What else did have? Announcements. That's the other one. Announcements. Create. So the rules, you can just have like no racism, no sexism. You can just copy off of mine if you want. See, rules here. No racism, no sexism, be respectful. You can just copy off that if you like. So back to my server. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a channel, create a category. We're going to call this one General. Oh no, category name, text channels. And we can just add this straight off the bat, make this one general, because if also we need general channel. There. Now we're gonna make some roles now, boys. So to make a role, you go up to the three dots and go server settings. But before that, go to the settings bar here, overview, and make sure the default notification settings is all messages. You can have it at only at mentions, but if you're in a friends, if you're just doing it for your friends, just put it on all messages. And just go back out, go to moderation. You can either have it on none or low. Low and none is probably best for like if you're making a server for your friends, but I've always put it on low, but you can put it on none if you want. So now back to that, go out. Wrong one. Server settings. Is everything the same? Yep. Go down to user management and go to roles. Before we make some roles, go to the @everyone role and go to general permissions and text permissions. Make sure send TTS messages is off and also mention everyone is off. You're gonna save. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's right. Yep. Do all that. And then go back out to roles. And have the plus button to add a role. And you can just call this role owner. Done. Yep. And don't forget to put on display role members separate from online members on. And now go into general permissions. You want to have everything on except, well, I'll just get to that. You want to have everything on. Mention everyone on. And this is where I have this voice permissions, everything on except for priority speaker. Usually this permission have the ability to be more easily heard when talking. I don't feel the need for that. So once you've done that, you can go into the owner, you can change the colour. I'm just going to make it a light blue colour. You can add another role, so you change it to a blue colour. And this one can be your moderator role. You can just make this one a nice greeny colour. And display separately from online members on, and allow anyone to mention this role on. The reason I have allow anyone to mention this role is because there's only going to be one owner, and that's you. But for moderators, there's going to be like 1, 2, 3, or even 4 moderators. So put that on and go to general permissions. View audit log on, kick members on, and ban members on. Change nickname on, manage nicknames off, and everything else off. So make sure everything else is off. So yoink, retext, everything else is off, except for create invite. Save, hit save. Then go to text permissions, Send messages on. Send CTS messages off. Embed links on. Attach files on. Read message history on. Mention everyone on. Use external emojis on and add reactions on. That's personal preference. I just leave them both on. And now go to your voice permissions. Connect on, speak on, mute members on, deafen members on, move members on. But keep priority speaker off. Yep. And now we're gonna add one more role, and we can just make it the friends role. The friends. I mean, we can just make this a nice red color. And the only thing we're gonna have on is display roles separately from online members on, and text permissions. Number one, general permissions. Make sure kick members and ban members is off. And so once you've done that, that's all your roles. So these are all the roles in my server. So we have got owner, moderator, friends, super active, and active. So now we can go back to my server. And for announcements, you can just be like, hey, I upload blah blah blah, blah this video, and make sure, and you can have the link and make sure to at everyone. So everyone in your server gets that ping. So now, if you want to create some private text channels, for our server, how it has this text channels, general introductions, looking for games, looking for cards. I'm not going to make all of that, but you can just do them if you want. And if you want these custom emojis, I will leave a link in the description below for where you can get them. And back to my server. Now we're just gonna make a category, and this one can be called staff channels. Make sure to turn on private category on, and who can access this category. You can put anybody you want, but just wait. Someone ain't right here. Service settings, roles. Here we go. Friends. There we go. That's better. And now create category. Staff channels, private channels. There you can put on anyone, but let's just put on moderator. Create. And now we're going to create some channels. Let's call this one staff chat. Create. And if you want it so only you can go in it, hold down the channel, go to edit channel, go to permissions, at everyone, read messages off, read message history is off as well. And then once you did that, go back out. And now you just, so you either, if you want to do that, you can do private channels, or you can make it a private channel, or you can just do this way. You can just add a role, and you can just tap moderator, and it will put it in, and you can just go into it. And read messages is on, and read message history is on. So there you go, guys. That's how you make a good Discord server. So if you want to add a role, you just go into your name, go to manage, edit roles, and you can put on all of them if you want. I'm just going to as well. I'm just going to put them on as well. I'm just going to put them all on. That's my name, by the way. You can friend me if you want. If you want me to accept your friend request, just put it in the comments down below. Let's see, I'm just going to create one more channel, and let's call it Music Talk. I don't know why. There we go. And now for my server, I've got these voice channels here: General, Music Zone, and Friends Role. So I'm just going to be adding one of them. Create category. Voice channel. Create. I'm just going to create one that's called Music Talk and just put it onto voice channel and hit create. And if you want to see only certain types of people go in it, just do the same. Edit channel, permissions, add everyone. YouTube channel is off. Let's just connecting the speakers off. There. And add a role, moderator. You can do whatever you want. View the channel, connect and speak. There you go. And only you can go into it. See, it has a little voice, a little volume bar, and it has a padlock next to it. So that is how you make a good Discord server. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications so you never miss one of my recent uploads. Comment down below if you want me to accept your friend request, or if you want me to be friends with you on Discord. Just send me your name and I'll be happy to accept it. And if I just think, oh, it's a random person, just put it in the comments, oh, this is my Discord name, and just put your Discord name in. Or you can just friend me. It's bbrain87 with a capital B and hashtag 1995. And then, yeah, and then if we get to 2 likes, I'll make another Discord tutorial. If we get more than 2, if we get like 3 likes on this video, I will make a video of me on Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, I've got Call of Duty right here, Call of Duty Mobile, yeah boy. And if you want to see the video of that, just ask in the comments if you want me to make one, or if you want me to make a Discord tutorial. But that is all from me, folks, and I'll see you in the next video.